Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Welcome to the geography class of Standard 8. Today, we are going to start chapter 2, Population Dynamic. In this chapter, I am going to cover few topics such as distribution of population, overpopulation and underpopulation, impact of overpopulation and underpopulation on the society. Let's begin. What is population? A population is a group of individuals of the same species occupying a particular large geographic area. It is a division of human geography. It is the study of the ways in which spatial variation in the distribution, composition, migration, and growth of the population are related to the nature of places. Do you know, children? The population of the world is estimated to be more than 7 billion and is expected to rise further. According to the UN report, world population is expected to rise by 8.2 billion by the year 2021. Now let's talk about distribution of population. What is distribution of population? The spread of people over an area is known as population distribution. In certain areas where the concentration of population is more, they are densely populated areas, whereas the other areas that have relatively lesser population are said to be sparsely populated area. Let us have a look at this pictorial representation. This is the pictorial representation of world population distribution, in which different colors are given for sparsely populated countries, underpopulated countries, overpopulated countries. And you can see India is shown in purple color, and purple color identifies overpopulated countries. I hope this is clear to you. Let's proceed further. Overpopulation. Why does overpopulation occurs? The overpopulation occurs when population of species exceeds the carrying capacity of its ecological setting. In such an environment, the number of people may exceed the available essential resources such as food, water, transport, etc. Some examples of the overpopulated country are India, Nigeria, Bangladesh, and many more. Now, a question arises, how can we control overpopulation? There are many steps. One of such steps is by adopting strict birth control measures across the country, we can solve this problem of overpopulation to some extent. Now we will talk about underpopulation. The term underpopulation is a state in which a country's population has declined too much to support its current economic system. The reasons for underpopulation could be low birth rate, war, epidemics, emigration, economic crisis, etc. Some examples of underpopulated countries are Albania, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, and so on. Now let us talk about impact of overpopulation and underpopulation on the society. Overpopulation leads to a chain of events where agriculture is the main activity. Overcultivation without replenishing the soil with nutrients leads to low productivity, poor nutrition, and poor health. It forms poverty cycle, whereas underpopulation has both negative as well as positive effect. Let us have a look at the positive effect of underpopulation. Sufficient provision for educational and medical requirements, sufficient opportunities and facilities for everyone. Older generation may live longer due to better health facilities. Negative effect. One of the negative effects is as a population declines due to fertility rate or emigration, the exodus leaves in it wake fewer qualified persons as the workforce. That's all, children. Hope you have understood the topic. I will continue further with the same chapter in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy.